masasagasaan lang yung mga sinusuportahan natin at that time, 8 to 10. That means 12 PM sa Pinas, 12 to 2. Anyway, bago naman ako umalis, tambay ko na lang sa kanila yung aking account. Ayan, kasi on that note pala, meron tayong project. Our project will continue, yung 1,001 tuwa project, where pwede nating tulungan yung mga hindi pa nakaka-1,000 to reach their 1K sub, at ma-feel na nila ang inaasam na 1,001 tuwa. Yan. So my live stream is daily 6 to 8 PM. 2 oras lang po yan, 6 to 8 PM, where pwede tayong mamigay ng mga bananas dyan. Minsan umaabot hanggang 2,000, 2,000 to 2,500 subscribers daily. Yan, because we want to give back to the community, yung mga naitulong sa atin ng YT community. This is just paying it forward.